If I checked your bank account right now, I would find money you're losing every single day. Not big money, not obvious money, but small silent habits that are quietly keeping you broke. And here's the scary part. You probably think you're doing okay with money. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the hidden ways your money is leaking, why it feels normal but is actually dangerous, and how to fix it starting today. Because the truth is, most people don't have a money problem, they have a money leak problem. Hey lovely people, welcome back to Money Lessons with Debbie. Here we break down money matters that affect our everyday life. Let's get started. There was a time I genuinely believed I was good with money. I wasn't overspending, I wasn't buying expensive things. So in my mind, I was doing everything right. But somehow, money came in and quietly disappeared. Not all at once, not dramatically, just little by little. And that's what made it dangerous, because I couldn't point to one big mistake. But here's where it gets uncomfortable. When I finally paid attention, I realized it wasn't one big problem. It was small habits I was ignoring every single day. And those habits were costing me more than I thought. Let's start with the biggest one: spending you don't track. Things like snacks, small online purchases, just this once in quotes moments. They feel harmless, but here's the truth most people avoid. If you don't track it, you will always underestimate it. And this is exactly why you feel like, I don't even spend that much, but your account tells a different story. This is where most people are losing money without realizing it. Track your spending for just 7 days, not forever, just 7 days. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. If you want something simple to make this easier, I've linked a beginner-friendly tracker in the description. Number 2, emotional spending. Now this one is deeper than people admit. You're not always spending because you need something. You're spending because you're stressed, you're bored, or you're tired, and it feels good in the moment here. But here's the dangerous part. The feeling is temporary, but the money is gone permanently. And over time, this becomes a habit. How about you create a 24-hour rule? If you still want it tomorrow, then decide to get it. Most times, you won't. Number 3, subscriptions you forgot. This one is silent. You signed up once and forgot. And because it's small, you ignore it. But small repeated payments are dangerous because they don't feel like spending. Check your bank statement today. Anything recurring, question it. If you don't use it, cancel it. Let me ask you something honestly. Which one of these is actually draining your money right now? Be honest. Because for most people, it's not what they expected. Drop it in the comments. I want to know. Number 4, convenience costs. This is the one people justify the most. Delivery, last minute decisions, paying extra to save time. And it feels normal, but this is where it gets dangerous. You're slowly building a lifestyle that is expensive to maintain. Plan slightly ahead. Even small planning saves more than you think. Number 5, lifestyle inflation. This one keeps people stuck for years. As your income increases, your spending quietly increases too. Better food, more outings, more "I deserve this" in quote moments, and suddenly, you're earning more, but nothing is changing. When your income increases, increase your savings and investments first, not your lifestyle. Here's the truth. Money doesn't disappear. It responds to your habits. If your habits leak money, your account will reflect it. But once you fix the leaks, you realize something powerful. You didn't need more money. You needed more awareness. And this is where most people struggle. They try to rely on discipline without a system. That's why I always recommend using a simple tracker or planner that helps you actually see your money. I've linked one in the description if you want something easy to start with, because once you see your money clearly, everything changes. But here's the thing, fixing these leaks is just one step. because even if you stop wasting money, you can still feel broke if you don't know what to do next. And that's exactly what I break down in this video right here, where I show you how to actually start saving money even if you feel like you don't have enough. Watch that next, don't miss it.